Welcome to the Shriprati Educational Online Classes. So today we are going to start a fourth lecture of data warehousing. So let's get started. What are the difference between OLAP and OLTP? OLAP and OLTP में क्या difference है? First of all, OLAP stands for Online Analytical Processing and OLTP stands for Online Transaction Processing. OLAP deals with the historical data present in data source and OLTP deals with the current operational data on which transactions can be performed. जो OLAP होता है basically data warehouse में the data that is stored in the data warehouse is historical, also the subject oriented. But in OLTP and in DBMS, OLTP is performed in DBMS and DBMS have current up to date data and day-to-day changes take place in the data in DBMS. So OLTP deals with the current operational data on which transactional can be performed. OLAP is subject oriented. OLTP is based on application. Based on application means, as you can see in DBMS, databases of any organizations, school, banking. So there is different type of database for different type of application. If banking have their own database, school have their own database, but all these type of databases integrated and the data stored into the data warehouse. So OLAP is subject oriented. वहाँ पे आपके पास अलग अलग तरीके के डेटा स्टोर रहते हैं. The size of OLAP is very big. जो OLAP का साइज होता है वो बहुत बिग होता है because OLAP is performed on data warehouse and it can ranges from between 1 terabytes to 100 petabytes depending upon the data sources. जैसे जैसे कई अगर बाई चांस बहुत सारे डेटा सोर्स से डेटा कलेक्ट किया गया, if the data is collecting from the different sources, then obviously the data can ranges from 1 terabyte to petabytes. And if size of OLTP is small as compared to OLAP and can range between 100 MBs to 10 GBs depending upon the data source. OLTP is small होता है as compared to OLAP and it can ranges from between 100 megabytes to 100 gigabytes. Because OLAP perform on data warehouse, so the data warehouse data is collected from the different sources and then integrated. OLTP वर्क करता है DBMS पे एंड वहाँ पे different डेटा सोर्सेज होते हैं, डेटाबेस होता है. OLAP, the main purpose for the making of OLAP from the data source is to perform decision making from such a large data source. To make the decision from a large data source, for this purpose OLAP is used. And in OLTP, as you know that it is smaller in size and only perform day-to-day operation. In OLAP, complex queries are required to fetch the data. OLAP is performed on data warehouse, so the data is very large. So only the complex queries are required to fetch the data. OLTP, in OLTP, simple queries are used to fetch the data. The size of OLAP is large, that's why the processing speed is slow. If the size of the data warehouse is large because the data is collected from different types of sources and data is in uh, terabytes to petabytes, so the data is obviously speed of data is slow, processing speed is slow. The size of OLTP is small, that's why the processing speed is fast. Only read operation is sufficient enough on OLAP as any changes, alterations on data are not required because it is subject oriented. Data warehouse is subject oriented and OLAP operation perform on that. So it store only the historical data. Changes is not required. Only the read operation is sufficient enough for OLAP. If we are talking about the OLTP, so both read and write operations are required because of application oriented nature of OLTP. क्योंकि जो एप्लीकेशन ओरिएंटेड नेचर है OLTP का, इसलिए उसमें रीड एंड राइट ऑपरेशन बोथ आर रिक्वायर्ड होते हैं. The users of OLAP is knowledge worker because it requires a complex query. So very knowledgeable person is required for the OLAP, and analysis is also performed. OLTP, the user of OLTP is IT professionals, clerk to fetching the simple queries like DBMS, SQL queries are used in OLTP. The main function of OLAP is decision support because to fetch the data from the large data sources. So in OLAP, decision support system is provided. The main function of OLTP is day-to-day operation is to be performed. The design of database in OLAP is subject oriented, and the design of OLTP is application oriented because it is based on some type of particular application like banking database is the airlines database. So now the type of data in OLAP is historical, summarized, multidimensional, integrated, consolidated. And the type of data in OLTP is current, up to date, detailed, flat, relational, isolated. OLAP, the users of OLAP is ad hoc. जो OLAP के users होते हैं वो ad hoc होते हैं. The OLTP users is repetitive होते रहते हैं. The unit of work in OLAP is complex query. The unit of work in OLTP is short, simple transition. वहाँ पे जो यूनिट होती है वो शॉर्ट होती है, सिंपल ट्रांजेक्शन होता है. ओलैप में कॉम्प्लेक्स क्वेरीज यूज होती हैं. इन ओलैप में मिलियन ऑफ रिकॉर्ड एक्सेस किए जा सकते हैं, मिलियन ऑफ रिकॉर्ड्स एक्सेस. इन ओएलटीपी टेंस ऑफ रिकॉर्ड एक्सेस, टेंस ऑफ रिकॉर्ड ही एक्सेस किए जा सकते हैं. सो दैट इज that these are the difference between the OLAP and OLTP. Thank you. Please stay safe at your home during coronavirus, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.